everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got some more Born Pretty stuff to show you. This stuff has been sent to me for review, but all opinions are my own and I'll always give you my truly honest thought. I've tested out a few bits on Born Pretty lately and they have all really surprised me. They've all been really nice products, so I have good faith in these ones too. Today I have two reflective glitter spider gels. I am currently wearing the Born Pretty reflective glitter on my nails. I have been since I got them. It's constantly been on my nails. Absolutely love it. So I'm really excited to try out this spider gel. I have two different colours here. It looks like we have sort of like a pinky sort of one and then a silver one. Then we have also got some of their glitter sequins gel in two different colours. Here we've got carved beams and Eastern purple. I've also got their super glossy top coat. I've been using this top coat for a little while anyway. It is one of my new favourites. It is so shiny, perfect formula, really nice super glossy non-white top coat. I have also got one of their dotting tools that doubles up as a detailer brush. Look how pretty it looks. See all those really cute little black rhinestones in it. The brush looks really nice as well for a detailer brush. And yeah, decent looking dotting tool, so I'm really excited about that. And then here we have got a UV gel brush. So it's a square headed brush. Again, it looks really nice with the rhinestones in it. A nice sort of pearly looking white finish with the Born Pretty logo. It's a really nice thin pen as well. It's not really heavy, it's not really big and bulky, it's really nice and thin and feels like it's going to be really nice to work with. So what I'm going to be doing today is opening all these up. We're going to swatch them, we're going to have a play with them, we're going to see what they're like, how they cure, all that lovely stuff. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I've been absolutely loving Born Pretty items lately, so I cannot wait to try these. So let's open these up and have a look. So first of all, I'm going to open up one of the glitter sequin gels. This is Eastern Purple. It says BGSO2. I love these style of pots these come in. They have been using this style of pots for a little while now. They are black and they just have the Born Pretty logo on the top there in gold and around the edge there. I know their 9D cat eye gel come with this and their thermal colour changing gel come in these pots. So we go, that's what the contents inside of the pot looks like. I'm going to grab a swatch stick and we are going to swatch this quickly. It's a really nice consistency actually. I expected that to be a lot harder and a lot thicker to work with. It's actually a lot more loose than I expected it to be. These look really nice. As you can see, there's a right mixture of glitter in there. So you've got large hexagons, you've got small hexagons, you've got glitter strands, you've got ultra fine glitter. There's a really cool little selection in there. And they're really nice colours as well. As you can see, it's got a lot of purple, hence the name Eastern Purple. Yeah, the consistency is surprisingly loose. I definitely expected it to have more of like a builder gel consistency, but it's really not. It's got more of like a top coat consistency. There you go, there's a little bit of a swatch there for you. So this next one is called Carved Beams. So these sequin glitter gels come in 5-gram pots and they're also luminous, so they glow in the dark. I will insert a clip in a moment of them glowing in the dark so you can see, but they are so fun and they're actually really easy to work with as well. I really like them and would love to get these in more colours. So we go, that's what that one looks like. It's very golden. Okay, so I've just given these one more coat. They look absolutely gorgeous. I'll tell you what, they're so nice to work with because the formula, like inside, you expect it to be really thick and lumpy and bumpy, but it's got the consistency of like a good top coat. So that has really surprised me, but I'm just going to show you what these look like in the dark. Okay, so check that out. How incredible is that? It's amazing. I'm literally obsessed. And it's not just a basic glow, like it's not really showing up very well on camera, but this blue one is mainly blue, but it's got a lot of like green in it as well. It's so funky. Like I love the way that Born Pretty are doing like gels that are good for the day and good for the night as well, because it's red, see? I really thoroughly like these. These are actually available in 8 different types, but only 4 of them glow in the dark. Number 05 to 08, they don't glow in the dark, but they are absolutely stunning. but 0104 do glow in the dark. I'll pop an image up on the screen anyway so you guys can have a quick look at the different ones that are available. But they're really, really, really nice and really nice to work with. I really like them, I really do. They're a big thumbs up from me. Okay, so moving on to the spider gel. I've just pre-painted some swatch sticks for us to have a play with. I'm just going to give them a coat of the Born Pretty Super top coat. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this top coat has become very much one of my top favourites now. The consistency is absolutely perfect, not too thick, not too runny, it has no odour, it is so shiny, super nice to work with, and I absolutely love it. It comes in this gorgeous 7ml bottle. As you can see, we have got a matte gold lid with this cute little shiny matte ring. These bottles are so beautiful. They're sort of pearly effect with all the gold information embossed into a nice glass bottle. We've got all the ingredients on the back. These are my favourite bottles. I feel that they look so nice, and yeah, the consistency of this top coat is absolutely bang on. It's so glossy, it's super shiny. I love it so much. So diving into the reflective spider gel, this one here is called Clouds in Mid-Air, and it is a gorgeous sort of rosy pink colour. It's got quite a thick consistency, but that is to be expected with a spider gel. I must admit, spider gel is not my strong point. I've not played with it much at all, to be honest. I only own a couple of different colours, but I was so obsessed with the Born Pretty reflective glitter gel polish that when I saw these I just had to try them. I'll insert some clips now of the reflective glitter gel. It's incredible. Like I said, I've been wearing it on my nails ever since I got it. I've had 3 different sets of nails now since I got it, and every time I've had the reflective glitter gel on there because it is just amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But yeah, that is what that one's looking like. It's a really gorgeous colour. I'm sorry for the not the best of applications, but it's a really, really gorgeous colour. I'm just going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And in the meantime, we are going to try it over the white as well. It's so fun, spider gel. It's just something that I do think takes a little bit of practice. But as you can see, it's definitely working quite well as a spider gel. And I feel like it's a very quick and easy way to get really effective nails. And Born Pretty have just taken it to the next level because, you know, not only are they making your nails look good throughout the day, they're making them look awesome at night as well. Because these reflective gels at night time are seriously incredible. I can't get enough of them. You flash your light on them and wow. There's literally like diamonds all over your nails. They're so, so, so nice. Not the best of applications again, but you can just see that colour a bit more. It's really, really, really nice. Okay, and then next up we have got a silver reflective glitter gel. This one is called Ice World. You can see why. It's a very frosty silver. You'll see how effective they look. Look at that. It's like the most simplistic but most glamorous and cutest design. Looks elegant but fancy and luxurious. I love it so much. Okay, and then over the white. And the technique of these is just to be quick. Oh, not that quick. As you can see, I'm just using the dot and pen as well. Born Pretty have provided me for these. Yeah, they just look so fancy. Okay, so I have just given them a good top coat in with the gorgeous super top coat from Born Pretty. Seriously, if you're after a good top coat, this is definitely up there in my recommendations. It is a really nice top coat. It is so glossy. It's gorgeous. Really, really, really nice to work with again. I really love these reflective glitter gel products. I really love Born Pretty's gel polish with the reflective glitter in. They are beautiful. I've literally worn them on my nails non-stop since I got those. So I'm very excited about these. I don't have any glittery spider gel. Well, actually, no, tell a lie. I do have a gold and a silver. They're not necessarily glittery, but they're more shimmery, but they are awful. They're from a different brand, and they are the worst spider gel I've ever used in my life. They are so thick and impossible to work with. These ones are just right. They're absolutely fine to work with. I'm not no pro with spider gel because I've not used it very much at all, but I think I've done okay at whacking some on there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a torch out and we're going to have a look at them and see for torch and see what they are like. Because these reflective glitter products look incredible under a torchlight. So let's check it out. See that sparkle? And this sparkle is with the smallest amount of the spider gel. As you guys saw, I really didn't put a lot on there, but look at the way these sparkle. Aren't they just amazing? It's literally like you've scattered diamonds all over your nails. They are amazing. They truly are. I cannot recommend these reflective glitter products enough. They're mesmerising. Just absolutely beautiful. And I simply can't get enough of them. So I just wanted to give you guys a look at these in the pot. Just because I use such a small amount, even though it does show up really well, I did use a small amount on those swatch sticks. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of these in the pot. And like, even as you can see on my nails, like, I've just put a thin layer on my nails as well of the glitter gel polish. They reflect like literal diamonds in a pot. Like, look at that pink one. Slight bit of movement and you can just see like how much they sparkle. They are truly beautiful. So these reflective glitter spider gels are available in 5 different colours on the Born Pretty website. They are definitely very, very up there on my recommendation list, alongside with the glow in the dark glitter sequin gel. So that is all of the products for this video today. I am absolutely made up with all of them. I literally cannot fault them. I cannot say a single bad word about any of the Born Pretty products I have tried recently. Actually, I'm so happy with all of them. They have been really coming through with the products. They are beautiful, they're top quality, they're different, they're unique, they're fun. I'm really, really happy. This top coat is one of the best top coats. In fact, I'm actually nearly out of my first bottle already, and I've not had it long, and I've nearly emptied it already because I've been using it that frequently. I just love it. I really like these brushes. I like the fact they're really thin, they're not heavy to handle, they feel comfortable to use. The brushes themselves are good quality, they're nice to look at, they look fancy. I really, really, really like them. And wow, these gels, I don't really even need to say, you guys are seeing for yourself. They are amazing. I definitely recommend them. Go get yourself some because you will love them. That's how I feel about them. They are just incredible. So thank you so much to Born Pretty for letting me try these out. I love them as I've loved all of your products. They are just so nice. Like, I'm not kidding you guys, they really are so nice. I'm very excited about these. I will be doing some designs of these very soon, which you will see over on my Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, the link is in my description box. Please go follow me over there. I'm going to try and get better at uploading more nail art over there, especially with some of these gorgeous new products, because they need to be seen. They're so gorgeous and I'm utterly obsessed and in love with them. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will link all of these products in the description box if you'd like to check them out for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!